What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? I know what's in the box. It's been a while since I put up a video. I just moved from Florida back to Massachusetts, where I love it. And I got something in the box today. So this is a guitar unboxing. This is a Classic Vibe Telecaster. Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster. I ordered this yesterday from Zounds. Zounds.com or Z-Zounds, or however you would say it. And it's here today. I didn't pay for any shipping. Just ordered it, and here it is. So let's open this up. This Classic Vibe, Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster unboxing. Well, in the box we have another box. This will slip. Little receipt. Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster 50s Butterscotch. Squier by Fender. So the backstory on this is that I was all set up to buy an American Elite Telecaster. I wanted it so bad I could taste it. I still want it. Or an American Pro. I was leaning towards the Elite. And this is next week that this was supposed to happen. And right at the last minute, all kinds of bills just started coming in. And I was like, damn. You know, I've been after an American Telecaster for a while now, and it just, guess it's not time yet. So, I do need a guitar because my Strat needs to be refretted. And there's a few things, other things that I want to do with my Strat, so I'm going to be out of a guitar for a while, so I needed something. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this Classic Vibe. Alright. Let me get the camera. Let's see what we got from Zounds.com. I've ordered from these guys before. I ordered my Gibson 120th anniversary SG from them. Was really satisfied with that. Alright. Perhaps I'll put it back on the stand. A little checklist here. Printed, of course. Squier. Not in tune. These are pretty smooth, no sharp edges there. Now I probably can't see it. Let me put it down here. Give it the once over with the camera. These are all pretty smooth. It all looks really nice. Now I bought a Telecaster from Guitar Fetish that I liked, and now so this is the Squier that I'm trying out now. I got rid of that other Guitar Fetish one, not for anything bad, just because I was moving and had to go. Squier by Fender. Old China. I wasn't too stoked about these tuners. Maybe I'll try and put something else on. But that's it. This is what you get in the box of the Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster. And a lot of people gave good reviews to this. This isn't what I wanted, so it's hard for me to think, oh man, I'm super happy about it, but time will tell.